Hi guys, Andy here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a CBD hand sanitizer spray. But first, I want to tell you how you can learn more about CBD and all of our great products. All you have to do is like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that little bell icon to get notified the next time I post a new video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to our email list for all of our exclusive offers and special discounts at hemp303.com. Now let's get started. Let's learn how to make this CBD hand sanitizer spray. For this do-it-yourself hand sanitizer spray, you're going to need a funnel, some essential oils. I don't know if you guys know this, but essential oils are actually very good for boosting your immune system. We got the Germ Fighter by Plant Therapy. This has lemon, clove, eucalyptus, cinnamon, and rosemary. And then tea tree oil is actually an antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral. So during COVID-19, this stuff is what you're going to want to have. I see a lot of people who carry around the hand sanitizer and it just dries out your hands. So we're going to put this CBD oil that has hemp seed oil in it too, to kind of help with locking in that moisture so that we're not drying out our hands because we're constantly washing through this virus. So let's keep those hands nice and clean and moisturized. You're also going to need 99% alcohol, rubbing alcohol. So this right here is water in here. I put filtered water. So the rest I'm going to put rubbing alcohol and just leave a little bit at the top opened so that we can put some CBD. We're only going to do about 0.25. Actually, what the heck? Let's do one more. Won't kill nothing. Won't hurt nobody. Okay, and then we're going to do 2 drops of tea tree because it's really strong. And then we're going to do 2 drops of the Germ Fighter. And you want to shake it up real good. Then you can spray your hands. And that CBD will help moisturize your hands. And it smells pretty good. I also have a little bonus for you guys. I know that during this whole crisis that we're going through, it's been crazy trying to order masks online and trying to actually get masks for your family has been hard. So, came up with a solution. Saw this, and I think I should share, okay? Get a bandana, whatever color you want, okay? You're going to lay it flat. You're going to fold it one time on this side. Then you're going to fold it one time on this side and kind of just meet it to the middle like this. Then you're going to go one more on each side. Then you're going to take 2 little stretchy hair ties. This ain't working out too good for me right now. 2 little stretchy hair ties. Then you take the hair tie, put it on the end, take the other hair tie, put it on the end. Then you're going to fold over, pull the hair ties tight. Then you got a face mask. And what I like to do is I like to go straight down the middle and sew it so it stays. And it'll look like this. They work pretty good, guys. I just want everybody to stay safe, stay healthy during this time. Make sure you wear your mask, wash your hands, be kind, be nice to everybody, and we will get through this. But that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this hand sanitizer CBD spray will help a lot of you on the go. Be sure to check out my next video by subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified when I post my next video.